See, grinders, I don't know where to play. Better know. I decide say, I know if she don't quite, I must answer Neil Christie, you understand? Because he called my name for his platform. I don't know why. Then the thing what I can't discover and activity is just bitterness and envy. Because if you are not bitter and you are not envied about the progress of others, what I did, you will not even consider it as a problem. You understand? What did I do? To share my link on your platform when you're live and you rant, you talk so bitter with a lot of anger in you. My dear, please try and grow up, okay? Because I believe say the day when you start your platform, you had no follower. People shared you out. You shared your platform on different links and different social medias, asking for people to follow you or for people to know you. And that's just the truth. And whenever you are live, you're still asking people to share you. If you know so you don't really make out, when you come live, not even think of asking people to share you. Just leave and make people share you out. Or just leave and make people the way they get notification, they come online. But you're still asking people to share you out because you know that you cannot do it alone. They think they wonder me why I will share my link under your platform. It will be a problem. You take and insult me. By the way, you understand? I owe you no apology. Christy, I owe you no apology. If I become typers and typees for big company, for Grandive, a platform, I owe you no apologies. It's my friend. Now, YouTube vlogger, if you decide to vlog any person in name, I'll be typers and typees. I go share and I will support her platform. Okay? The way that they blog you, my man, I go comment. I go talk about it and I go share. The way he talk about me to I beg, help, comment, and then share. If you still blog about me, I will still comment about it, I will share. Because I know say she needs to make her platform grow. We need to understand it. If you don't want to understand them, you leave them. I don't know why we want to kill yourself about views and things like that, because the very people the way they can't watch you, and the very people the way they go for big compound, they still like and comment. My dear, what can go for all your followers when they want to go to put their phone for watch different people them, because stop them, they no go. You understand? That's the only thing I will tell you. Stop them, they no go. Where you dey UK, go Cameroon, go Belgium, go France, go this way. Stop people, they no watch another people. I don't know why we will get black belly, so I don't really know why. But the truth I say no, if you use your number 6, you go no say we not even plenty. We not even plenty. People need information, people need to be informed, people need to be entertained. If you know so if you do and you want, Facebook tell me say you feel do and you want, we go leave the platform you do and you want. May you talk for January, talk for February till December, from Monday to Sunday, may you talk as you want. Okay, my people there, I go just leave una make una watch the video when Neil Christie insult me for a platform. Then when I come back, I go broke my own coconut.
Marvel Anieko, if you keep on with this, with what you just posted, I'm gonna block you again. I'm gonna block you again. Marvel Anieko, you know I've ignored you so much. You know that, right? This is my territory. I don't say Matalaku is my territory. If you keep on with this your YouTube channel, let me just block you. I've blocked you. I know you're listening to me. I'm gonna block you. There's something in this world we don't tolerate. Be very careful with people, with hypocrites. When you know who the hypocrites are around you, you might not necessarily talk to them directly, but you know who they are. When people go around insulting you and they see that they cannot defeat you, they start coming back as if they love you. No, I don't do that. Once you've proven to me that you are an enemy, I keep you far. If you want to be my friend and my follower, be my friend and my follower quietly. I don't joke with hypocrisy. I will forgive you, but I will not come close to you. That's me on social media. I will forgive you or not come close to you because my happiness counts so much. They cannot be insulting me and you join, you insult me, you do your things, and when it's backfire, you're running to come and you start making positive videos, making videos from the other ones, I don't know, making videos about my partner, the most influential rich man. Is he the one that showed you his business account? People should be very careful this social media. Very careful. If you want to go and insult me, go and be insulting me far. Don't bring it close to me because I will block. I've blocked you 4 times. I did not block you on my page. You showed your face and blocked you. I don't tolerate hypocrisy. If you want to be a hypocrisy, be a quiet hypocrite. In your quiet, don't bring it. Don't bring it closer to me. Because una plenty. Go una there for you, una they watch me. I don't leave una because una they quiet. But the day you bring out your hypocrisy, you don't go and insult me. And after, when everything has turned to against you, you are coming closer to me. What are you coming to do here? This is my page. If you want to be a follower, whether you're using a fake profile or an original profile, be a quiet follower. Don't go and when they insult me, you join and insult me. When it has backfired, you come back here and you want to make as if you're my friend. You're not my friend. You are a hypocrite. In short, you are worse than the person that insulted me. You are worse. So don't come here and be sharing me or tagging me on all your YouTube. You do any YouTube video, you're tagging me. Do any YouTube video, why are you tagging me? So I should come and see that you have said something good about me that you did not say when it was needed. Be very careful. Be very careful. I will forgive you. I don't hold any grudge against anybody, but we are not bringing anybody close to me. Many man they will inside. Say your thing, whatever you want to say about me. Talk about distance. Don't bring it under my platform. As I've said, if you are a hypocrite, remain a hypocrite quietly. Me says I'm a hypocrite for some people. All man are hypocrite to an extent for the war. No man not be caught. All I look me. Even pastor them. So some people they be just hypocrite because you want me the friendship just go, make all things just go smoothly. Yes, that's the worst kind of people I hate. If you are there insulting me, work on your insult and do the insult well. If you're closer to me, you're free to go to any platform anytime. Some of you have gone to platform, you have insulted me and you've come back. I've never said a word. But don't come here and you want to promote your insult under my page. You're sharing your YouTube channel under my page. No. People have your mentors. I have my people on Facebook that have their mentors. Yes, go to your YouTube mentors and they'll promote you. Don't go when they are insulting me, you insult me, and when it backfires, you start running to come under my page to come and talk. Just sit quiet and listen. She don't quiet on my page. I don't tell on my page. Not be public page. When I say not be public page, not be a joint thing, not be me as other people that will join. Fix them. Now when I see people on Facebook, most of people maybe and they ever talk, they laugh, they talk. When they don't cut, they don't cut. You cannot like me hypocrisy. I tell you as it is, if you don't want that, you go. Yes. Social media is free for everybody. If you want to follow anybody's page, follow it. If you want to stay somewhere and make it and be insulting someone, stay.
Okay, my people, when I don't watch the video how a new Christian insult me, but after this insult, I no go reply. You know why? Somebody was online that same day. You know, so when some person they go left, another person they go right. Mama Vankat, I celebrate you, my dear. Keep on with the good work. Keep on celebrating others and keep promoting others. The same thing will be run on your platform. Say wait. Say I share my link for your platform. Now this now another person that they encourage people. Mama Vankat, I beg, respond to it.
See as today. How I go be so selfish? I go be online. We'll get a lot of YouTubers online. We'll get a lot of motivational speakers online. A lot of comedians and then online. Thousands of people they are viewing me. Then I go be so selfish. I know the one promote the others. If you are a YouTuber and you are following me, you are under my show, you are following me, please drop your link under my show for people to follow you because you have a message. You are there for a reason. God make you open that channel for a reason. Drop your link. If you're a motivational speaker who don't know you, drop your name under my show so that others will follow you. Blue app is big. There's enough space. I can't carry it alone. We need more. We need more motivational speakers. We need more bloggers. We need more vloggers. We need more comedians. Please. Thank you, dear Flu. And put your link. Put it under my show. Why did you bring this show? I dey bring this show for do wetin. Una dey una dey watch me, I dey chop una. Or I dey take the show, keep am for my house. I'm here to promote everybody. Whether you do now wetin online, as far as I've watched your live video, I will share. That's me. People when they know me, they know. I will share because I love to see everybody to excel. Yes. Put your link under my show. Whenever I am live, na me I the authority. Na me the prophetess I the talk am. Whenever I am live, if you are a comedian, you are a motivational speaker, you are how they call YouTuber, put your link, your show name under my show for other people to follow you. Because we have a lot of people, thousands of people, they are viewing me. We need to grow. We need to be like Nigeria. We need to excel. We need it. One person not handle all department. One person, you know, be one be all thing for you where you must take some particular thing for do. Drop your link under my page. I say so. Mark the day of today, 4th of September. 4th of September, Friday, 2020. I love to see everybody to excel. I love to see real talent. I love it because I enjoy a lot of comedians they online where they watch their show and they laugh so that they die. Even on YouTube. Yes, I'm a motivational speaker. I'm a comedian that enjoy a lot of motivational speaker their show. I learn from it also. Yes, so when they be online, maybe I get busy. I know they be online. But after they watch their show and they learn. I learn some things and for day and from people they are coming also.
1 minute, please.
And I share. If you have a business online, you are doing business online, promote yourself. Don't be scared. Come and promote yourself. We need to grow. Thank you, Matavera. I love you too. Thank you, my mother. We need to grow. I love to see everybody grow. I'm not be selfish. I love progress. I love it. If only all we will come to understand ourselves, we work together, we'll make +237 grow. We'll make +237 pass Nigeria then. Trust me, that because of so we'll be so selfish. Nobody want to see anybody to excel. We always want to bring people down. We'll see as if some person don't excel, want to bring it down. Jealousy, envy, no one see me so other man excel. Some person go there online, go get viewers and the view, and the vex. Una the vex for waiting. Una not the vex. We Cameroonians will not even get for be online with the boss our page. We not get for do one. We get enough followers them. We get millions of followers the way if we really understand, we cooperate. We for not excel because of our bad hearts. We not if we excel. We only turn na one place, be inside one place. Where to gain? We get for accept any man is show, any man is we don't put and say you want do. We come together to be one. We promote each other. If I did do something wrong, you as a motivational speaker, you as a vlogger, you correct me. Is that a bad thing? Is that a bad thing? Thank you, Epie. No, a lot of una no one see. The worst one I share, like, a lot of una no one see. Una no one see because why? She's the game changer. But now that say una be the promoting. Now that say una Billy. Today it don't be nice strong. Una don't be vex. More na no vex so. No. If only una be fit come together. Una try for work. Una try.
My people they now see not to Musa no go see forget. See when to a person just finish kill himself, another person they go dey encourage people. My dear, go leave una for now, Leave una like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Let's go.